Installation and Operation Guide of SuperbMelt Vacuum Investment Powder Mixer. First, connect the machine's power cable to the circuit breaker. The top inlet at the back of the machine is the water inlet for cleaning the upper tank. This port is the vacuum connection for the vacuum pump. The water outlet on the left is the drainage outlet after cleaning the upper tank. And this is the drainage outlet for the lower tank. Before starting the stirring process, as shown in the video, first close all three valves. Hold the glass door, push the lever to the position, and then open it. Place the flask that needs to be filled with gypsum powder inside. You can use the handle to adjust the flask position. After placing it, push the glass door back to the center position, making sure the discharge outlet is aligned with the flask. Put the gypsum powder and water into the upper tank. After closing the lid, set the stirring time to 10 minutes and the vacuum time to 8 minutes. Press the stirring button. After stirring for 1 minute and 30 seconds, turn on the vacuum switch and rotate the upper tank valve to the vacuum position. After the upper tank has been under vacuum for about 1 minute, start the lower tank vacuum for 30 seconds, then you can begin discharging the material. Adjust the flask position with the handle to ensure accurate pouring. Pull the handle outward to move it upward and open the discharge outlet. After filling, turn on the vibration function and stop the upper tank vacuum until the timer finishes. After the upper tank material is fully discharged, press the flushing button and open the upper tank water valve to allow clean water to enter the upper tank for subsequent cleaning. When the timing ends, turn off the vibration, vacuum, and stirring functions. Rotate the upper tank valve to the exhaust position and open the valve to release the vacuum of the lower tank. Remove the flask filled with gypsum and let it solidify for 2 hours. To clean the upper tank, move it to the drainage outlet on the right side of the machine, open the discharge port, and drain the wastewater after cleaning.